Seeking cutting-edge daily tech or practical accessories? The ever-expanding EDC marketplace offers abundant options, potentially overwhelming newcomers trying to navigate available choices. That's precisely why this video showcases 7 exceptional EDC gadgets worthy of your consideration and purchase. Enjoy! Cable Kit is the ultimate durable and high-speed keychain charging cable that offers the functionality of 2 cables in one. This compact accessory comes with a convenient carry case that not only protects your cable, but also securely attaches to your keychain or clips into your bag. But that's not all. The carry case also features an adapter for your other devices and a handy SIM card tool. What's more, it provides storage space for up to 2 micro or nano SIM cards or micro SD cards. The best part? The Cable Kit is incredibly portable, so lightweight that you won't even notice it until the moment you need it. Say goodbye to tangled cables and hello to convenience with the Cable Kit. The i1R2 Pro from Olight is the ultimate choice for those seeking a super compact and reliable flashlight. During power outages or emergencies, having a flashlight is incredibly valuable when visibility is limited. It allows you to navigate dark areas safely and find your way. The i1R2 Pro is an exceptional EDC flashlight that offers a well-balanced beam providing options of either 5 lumens or 180 lumens with a maximum runtime of 12 hours. It ensures long-lasting performance. Controlling the light is as simple as twisting the head to turn it on and off or switch between outputs. Powered by a larger built-in 130 mAh lithium-ion battery, it provides extended usage time. The flashlight features a convenient USB-C port, making the charging process easier. Crafted with an aluminum alloy body, this compact light is exceptionally durable, withstanding the rigors of everyday use. Tired of a bulky key ring that jingles in your pocket? The true Utility KeyShackle Plus tool is here to rescue you. This handy EDC key organizer is designed to hold 2 to 4 keys, keeping them compact and neatly organized for easy access whenever you need them. But the KeyShackle is more than just a key organizer. It's a versatile multi-tool packed with essential functions. Equipped with a bottle opener, wire stripper, eyeglass screwdriver, medium flat screwdriver, nail cleaner, and other handy tools, it's ready to tackle various tasks with ease. Whether you're in need of a bottle opener, screw tightener, or smoothing out rough edges, the KeyShackle has got your back. Its compact size and durable construction makes it a reliable companion for your everyday carry needs. Upgrade your EDC collection with the true Utility KeyShackle and experience the convenience and versatility it brings. The Bellroy Venture Pouch is the perfect companion for keeping your EDC essentials organized while on the move. Designed to provide protection for your EDC items, this pouch prevents scratches, bumps, and accidental damage that can occur when items are loose in your pockets or bag. It acts as a safeguard, ensuring your belongings remain secure and in excellent condition. This compact pouch offers a padded, soft-lined phone sleeve that keeps your device safe during adventures. Durability is key when it comes to the Venture Pouch. It is crafted with coated zippers and water-resistant fabric, making it a rugged sidekick that can withstand challenging weather conditions. Rain or shine, your belongings will remain dry and protected. Convenience is another highlight of this pouch. You can easily clip it to the outside of your bag, ensuring quick access to your essentials without having to dig through your entire backpack or purse. Alternatively, you can attach it to your belt loop, keeping your items within reach at all times. The versatility of the Venture Pouch allows you to adapt to your preferred carrying style. Finally, this Alltool offers an exciting twist on the traditional multi-tool concept. This robust 5-in-1 multi-tool is designed to transform you from helpless to handy in countless daily scenarios. With the Alltool by your side, you can confidently tackle tasks like opening boxes or even popping open a refreshing cold beer. Crafted from durable stainless steel, these animal-inspired tools combine functionality with a sleek and compact design. One of the standout features of the Alltool is its slim size, which makes it incredibly wallet-friendly. This tool can easily slip into your wallet, ensuring that you always have the necessary tool at your fingertips. No more fumbling through drawers or searching for misplaced tools. With the Alltool, you'll be prepared for any situation, no matter where you go. Not only are they practical, but they also add a touch of coolness to your everyday carry. The Gerber GDC Zip Blade is a potent cutting tool that can greatly ease up your everyday life. This blade provides a versatile cutting tool that can be used for a wide range of tasks. Whether you need to open packages, cut cords or rope, prepare food, or handle small repairs, having a blade on hand can make these tasks much easier and more efficient. This utility blade is both lightweight and durable, ensuring its effectiveness in various situations. It includes a fob for easy attachment to the zipper of a backpack, seat bag, or your jacket, allowing for quick access whenever needed. The quick-release clip enables effortless removal and reattachment, providing added convenience. With its fine edge and frame lock for safety, this blade is designed to be both practical and secure. The KeySmart CleanLight Mini is a compact and portable UV light sterilizer that can take cleanliness to a whole new level. This mini-size powerhouse harnesses the power of UVC light, powered by your smartphone, to eliminate an impressive 99.99% of microorganisms, including bacteria and viruses. But that's not all. The KeySmart CleanLight Mini comes with a convenient wrist lanyard, ensuring it stays safe and secure around your wrist. Plus, it easily attaches to your key ring, making it effortlessly accessible whenever you need it. Furthermore, the KeySmart CleanLight Mini caters to the needs of both iPhone and Android users, with options available in both USB-C and Lightning variants. You won't have to face any struggles in connecting it to your smartphone. Regardless of the device you own, you can enjoy the benefits of this innovative UV light sterilizer. So that was our list of 7 coolest EDC gadgets worth buying.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.